Okay, so I've plugged it back in, and let's see, so it's on permanent press right now. All these settings are completely normal, and all the lights are lighting up. Press. And then nothing happens, but it doesn't lock, so it could be something with the locking mechanism, that it isn't, you know, it's not like when you press start, usually it will lock as well. So it could be that the locking mechanism is busted. You can't really see much from it, but this is the normal piece, and then it goes into there. And then the other thing I've read is that maybe it's like some sort of fuse or plug or something. I don't know, but yeah, lights are on. No one's home.